In this video, we'll solve this word problem by finding the absolute maximum value. We're given the price of each unit, each suit, and we know producing X suit, the cost is C of X, this function. Okay, so part A, we want to find the total revenue, R of X. So the total revenue is basically how much money you collected by selling stuff, right? So that will be the price times how many units, how many suits you sold. So P times X, that will be 200 minus 0.5x times X. So that will give you negative 0.5x squared plus 200x. So that's the total revenue, R of X. Okay, part B. Find the total profit, P of X. All right, so we know profit is how much money you sold, which is the revenue, minus the cost, C of X. All right, so our revenue is negative 0.5x squared plus 200x minus, and we're given C of X, that's 4,000 plus 0.75x squared. Simplify that, you will get negative 1.25x squared plus 200x minus 4,000. All right, part C. How many suits must the company produce and sell in order to maximize profit? So we want to know, basically we want to find the absolute maximum value for P of X, right? That will give you the maximum profit. So to find, part C, to find that, we need to first find the derivative of P of X. So that is negative 2.5x plus 200, right? And we want to find the critical value. So make P of X depart. Sorry, not depart. We'll make P of the derivative of P of X equals 0. So basically, that's negative 2.5x plus 200 equals 0. That will give you, and that is 80. Okay. So, well, by the way, that's the only critical value we have. So what does it mean? It means this P of X is either, not P of X, yeah, P of X. Not talking about the price, I'm talking about profit. So P of X, P of 80 will give you either the absolute maximum or the absolute minimum. So let's check what it is. So I will need to find the second derivative of X. That will give you negative 2.5. It's negative, so that means the graph is concave down. You have an absolute maximum value. Great, that's what we are expecting. We want to find the maximum profit. Okay, so that means P of 80 is the maximum profit. How many units do you have to produce? 80 units, right? What is the maximum profit? That is P of 80, so that is, where's P? P is over here. So negative 1.25 times 80 squared plus 200 times 80 minus 4,000. So calculate that, we'll have, that is 4,000. So the maximum profit is $4,000. I think it's dollars. Okay, now That's part D. And now E. What price per unit must be charged in order to maximize profit? So when X is equal to 80, you will have the maximum profit. You will just plug it into the P equation. That's 200 minus 0.5 times 80. So that is 200 minus 40, 160. You need to charge $160 per unit in order to have the maximum profit.